Hello, everybody. This is Miss McCauley, and today we're going to be working on the iReady Math for first grade. And so we're doing lesson 1, which is called Count On to Add. Lesson 1, Count On to Add. And we're on page 3. You see here it says page 3, lesson 1, Count On to Add. And on the back side is page 4. So let's write our name at the top here. I'm going to write Macaulay because that's my name, but you write your name. Okay. Okay, so what I did was I wrote the standard here in pencil. And when you do your math homework, lovies, please use pencils. Okay, we don't want to use pen or crayons. We want to use pencil or markers. Our standard is 1 for first grade, OA for operations and algebraic thinking, part C, number 5, and it's about using strategies to add and subtract. And the strategy that we're using today is counting on. Okay, so counting on, here's an example. It says you find 5 plus 2, and instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you go like this: 5, 6, 7. You don't have to count all the 5. We know it's 5 and then 2 more. So we just add the 2 more, okay? And the answer is 7. So we're going to do that here, okay? Let's do this one. 6 plus 1, count on to add. Okay, so we already know this is 6. We're not going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're just going to skip that and say 6. Then what comes next? 7. So 6 and 1 more is 7. So let's put a 7 right here. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Can you write that down? All right, good job. Well, that's called counting on. We didn't start from the beginning and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We just said 6, 7. Okay, so we're going to count on here. Find 5 plus 3. Count to add on. So we're not going to go we're going to count this again. We're going to start with 5, and then we're going to add the 3 more, right? 5 plus 3. 5. What comes next? 6. What comes next? 7. What comes next? 8. So you can do it with fingers too. 5 in your head. 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Can you write that down? Okay, great job. Okay, let's turn it over. If I'm going too fast, you pause, okay? Pause the video anytime you need it. Now we're going to find 5 plus 1, and we're going to count on. We're going to add to count on. So we're going to start with 5, 5, and then 1 more is what? 5. What's next? 6. Very good. So what is 5 plus 1? Yeah, 6. Very good. Okay, now we're going to do this one, number 4. It says find 4 plus 2. Draw lines and count on. So here's 4. What comes next? 5, right? But we're adding 2, so we got to add this one. What comes next? 4, 5. Yes, 6. 6 comes next. So what is 4 plus 2 more? Yes, it's 6. Great job. So what are we learning, lovies? Yeah, how to count on, right? Good. Okay, next one. Find 6 plus 3. Draw lines and count on. So we're not going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're not doing that. We're just saying 6. And 1 more is 7. And another one is 8. And the last one is 9. Right? So 6 and 3 more is 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Very good. So, lovies, what did we learn today? Yeah, here's what we learned today. We learned count on to add. That's what we are learning today. We didn't start from the beginning counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just said 5 and 2 more. Okay? Great job. Okay, and if you didn't understand today, that's okay. We're going to do some more.